Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you a simple and effective way to change the text size on the Mint browser app on your mobile device. If you find the text too small or too large while browsing, this tutorial will help you. First, open the Mint browser app on your mobile phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three-dot menu icon. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on the Settings icon. After that, scroll down through the settings options until you find Web Page Text Size. Once you find Web Page Text Size, click on it, and you will see a list of size options including tiny, small, normal, large, and huge. Then, choose the text size that best fits your reading preference by tapping on it. Finally, the browser will automatically apply the selected text size, making it easier to read web pages without straining your eyes. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.